Well, TVA is trying to make sure your home is prepared for cold weather. That's why the agency is extending its HVAC rebate program for customers in its service area. Now, that rebate is now available through September 30th of next year. According to TVA, prices for HVAC tune-ups typically range from $49 to $150. TVA says it will pay you a $50 rebate per heat pump or central AC unit to get your HVAC system inspected by a professional. Now, if you need to replace your unit, TVA is offering rebates of up to $1,500 on qualifying equipment.